Bad Player 11.
What is up, IB students? Welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna have the top tips for the IB that you will need. That's right, that's right. What do you want, that 25, that 35, that 45? I know you want that 45. You're gonna get all the tips you need right here in this video. Now, before we go into it, how'd you like my intro? Was it good? You know, if you liked it, make sure to subscribe, baby. And if you didn't like it, well, first of all, post a very angry comment detailing your issues with it, and then subscribe. Now, a lot of you may be wondering, hey, why are you the guy to tell us this? I mean, did you get a 45? Well, no, I did not. You can see here I got a 36, okay? So, why am I qualified to tell you about this? I mean, I didn't even get a 4. I barely got a 35. I mean, jeez, man, like, how are you gonna tell me what to do when I might be better than you? And to that I say, my score is decent. My score is pretty good, okay? And you know what 45s lack? They lack perspective of the common man, okay? The common man is not like the 45s. Probably the 45s are doing different stuff than you, okay? That's why I know what you should do to get that 45, because I know how you think. And knowing how you think, I can tell you exactly what you need to know. That's right, I know. You might not believe me, but if you watch the video, you will see. This is the real tips that you will need to get a 45. Yeah. Number 1, pick the right subjects, alright? Very important. Now, some of you may have already, picked your subject. Maybe you're in IB1, maybe you're in IB2. Maybe you're done with the IB, and I don't know why you're watching this video, quite frankly. But you know what? Doesn't matter. The point is, picking the right subjects, it's very crucial. It's very crucial, okay? General tip, you gotta pick subject you like. Wow, that's kind of crazy, right? And then, subjects that maybe are easier for you. Perhaps you're kind of a math genius. Perhaps you're a bit of an Einstein. I don't know any mathematicians. I'm sorry. Perhaps you're like Einstein. You're like a Einstein of math, right? So boom, you pick math. Boom. Maybe you're a historian. Maybe you're I don't know, bro. And you're a historian, and then you pick history. Boom. Okay. Boom. And then the real stuff comes in with scam stuff. That's right. You can scam your teachers. Oh, I'm gonna tell you right now how to do that. Okay. So look. Here we got chemistry, here we got biology, okay? Which one of these is more of a scam? The answer is neither. They're not the scam subject, okay? The real scam subjects are shit like Finnish B, Spanish B, shit like that, okay? Let's say you're a native. Okay, I'm from Finland, okay? I know Finnish. And so I took Finnish B, cause that shit easy, bro. I can speak Finnish. I know how to do it. I know verbs and stuff like that, or whatever the fuck I learned in that class, right? Like the basic shit for the language. So if you know the same, hell, dude, just take fucking Spanish B, German B, fucking French B, whatever the fuck you want. As long as you know the language like pretty well, you can speak it to others. Boom, fucking easy 7s, baby. And you're that much closer to getting that 45. Also, epic tip: take art. Well, honestly, I don't know how. That one is more of a subjective. If you're good at art, definitely take art, cause then it's like, boom, you get a fucking 6, easy. At least, I mean, goddamn, if you're actually good at art, like, bro, that's crazy. But even if you're not, I mean, there's no exam, you feel me? Hey, that's pretty good. It's pretty kind of a scam, kind of good. And you'll be smart, and you're getting ahead in the competition at that point. Let's be honest. Anyway, number 2, follow the learner profile. That's right, that's right. Look at this guy. He's so excited to follow the learner profile. Now, as an IB student, you may be kind of thinking that it's a little useless, right? I mean, what the fuck is a risk taker? What the fuck is inquirer, bro? I don't know, man. And you're wrong. You're fucking wrong, pussy. You are wronger than you would ever think. That's right. That's right. Let's just look at these beautiful puzzle pieces. Okay. Now look, it represents the earth. It's like a spear. Okay. And the spear means that you gotta be all of these to become the perfect IB student. Okay. You need knowledge, okay? Tylobus will be proud of that, okay? You gotta be principled, balanced. Oh my god, a thinker. You gotta think about stuff. What? I know, it's insane, but you will need these qualities to be the greatest IB student. And the best of all, you must be a risk taker. That's right. We'll get back to this later. But risk taker, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, because that is the key to getting that 45, getting that 45 that you want, that you desire. Then you can get into Harvard or fucking Hogwarts, bro. I don't know. Who knows where you want to go? Just get anywhere to 45. Easy, dude. Okay, just follow these tips. Okay, and it's gonna be fucking simple. It's gonna be simpler than 1 + 1. That's like, dude. Whoa. Oh, just trust me. But let's go to number 3. Make a schedule. Now, for the schedule, I would say, not just a schedule for your schoolwork, or perhaps, for your IAs. Okay, I mean a schedule for your whole day, man. Okay, this is a new kind of schedule. All right, just think about it. Okay, like first off, know when you're gonna study. You gotta study every day if you're gonna get that 45. Generally, you should have an idea of what you're gonna do every point of every day. Okay, the IB is no joke. You gotta have a schedule. You gotta know what the fuck you're gonna do. Okay, like for me, my schedule, of course, I wake up at 4 a.m. every morning. Keep up the grind, eat my breakfast, do whatever I do. Okay, then I have yoga for 2 hours because I need to keep my mental health up, bro. I really do. And then I go to the gym, of course, right after that. Okay, go to the gym for 3 hours. Boom. At the gym, I'm also doing my math homework during pull-ups and stuff. I'm looking at it, and then yeah, I'm doing it. Of course. Between the breaks, between the sets, boom, easy. Okay, of course. Then you go to school, I guess. I mean, that's optional. And then boom, you got a schedule. And then you go home, you do all your homework, study for 10 hours, and boom, you go to sleep like a couple hours, and then go right back, baby. That's the schedule. That's what you need. Okay, you gotta follow the schedule, or it's just not possible, dude. You're not gonna get that 45 if you don't follow the schedule. And that leads right to the next point. Keep up the grind. Yeah, keep up the grind. Okay, look at The Rock. Okay, what an inspirational man he is. He's kept up the grind for years. This guy. Look at his bald head, his great muscles, his black shirt or whatever. Yeah. Okay, look at his tattoo. Okay, the power is incredible. Okay, now, like The Rock, keeping up the grind means going to the gym, but not actually going to the gym. You're not going to the gym. You're going to the gym with your brain. Okay, this is the genius of the IB. Okay, all right. Bro, you gotta study like at least 4 hours every single day, and on holidays, this is where it gets good. Like 8 hours, 6 to 8 hours every single day on the holidays. Every break day, just even more studying, dude. Just more time for studying. And when you're not studying, like I said, you gotta work on your mental health, your physical health. I mean, you're an IB student, dude. Like, you're on the verge of breaking down practically every day, I guess. I mean, that's a real. Those are real numbers. Those are real stuff. I really did see a video of 4 hours and 8 hours. That's a real thing. Hey, anything for that 45, right? Anyway, okay. Now here we get to the most interesting point. Number 5. Okay. Now I have to warn you. It's a forbidden technique. Forbidden. Okay. You see those yellow things? This is not a joke. Okay. Do not do this if you're under 80 years old. Okay. This should not be seen by anyone younger than that. Okay. This is only for the most developed minds out there. Okay, this is a very forbidden technique. I do not recommend for like I said, anyone under 80, just click off the video right now. Leave a like though and subscribe, but click off because this is serious. Number 5, just cheat. Yeah, let's be honest, bro. You are not smart enough to get the 45. You're probably just not smart enough. Are you really willing to study 4 hours per day every single day, 8 hours on holidays, on Christmas, and you're on your birthday? No, I don't think so. I don't think you're that smart. I don't think you're that dedicated. And frankly, I think you just want to like beat your dick in class, and that's all right. If you want to play with your balls in class, like that's great. You're an inspiration to us all. So just cheat. Boom, easy. Okay, now how do you cheat? Look, hey, I didn't cheat. You know, I got my score for real. You feel me? So you're not getting that information from me. But yeah, I mean, for some references, you can look at the Naruto, the tuning exams. There's plenty of techniques there. You know, perhaps you can use some Sasuke's Sharingan if you have that. Perhaps you do. Perhaps you're part of the Itachi clan. You can use Sharingan to look through people and shit. Boom, easy cheating. There we go. I mean, hey, that's all you gotta do. Get 45, like me. Well, not really. I didn't get a 45. In fact, I got a 36, as I explained before. But hey, that's the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah. Now, see you next. That's the end of the video, guys. That is the end of the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah, baby. Now, that's the end of the video. Hope you got your tips. Hope you know you can get that 45 that you desire. And see you next year.